teaches us that after a harsh winter, beautiful spring awaits behind every hardship. Easy and smooth path lies ahead. Let us with the arrival of a new year awaken from our winter, slumber like nature, spread our wings like a beautiful young sapling and beginning a fresh and new chapter with a renewable spirit and mind. Many of us as Farsi speakers believe that with the renewal of the season and the arrival of Nowruz, we should set aside grudges and resentments. We'll visit our friends and relatives during the New Year celebration. Let us see Nowruz an opportunity and with the beginning of the new year. The arrival of spring, take inspiration from nature. Purify our inner selves, forget any resentments we may hold towards others, and we cancel with ourselves and everyone around us. Thank you very much for attention and listening.